What is up, guys? Today's video, we're going to explain to you guys how you can get an FNSKU code generated. So before you do that, what is an FNSKU code? The FNSKU code is the barcode that Amazon uses to track all of your inventory. It's generated by Amazon, so you can't go and purchase the FNSKU code. So how can you actually create yours? What you have to do is first get a UPC code. A UPC code is a universal product code. This is what identifies all the different products that are in the world. It's a 12-digit barcode. You've seen it at Walmart and Target. It's just like the back. It's on the back of every box that you ever purchase, and people scan that, which gives them, all the product info. So what we are doing is getting a UPC code and then using that to make our draft listing to get an FNSKU code. Today's video is going to be specifically on how you can get your first UPC code for free. Yes, for free, and the easiest way I've found so far. So we're gonna go ahead and share the screen for you guys and show you guys what to do. Step number one, you're gonna go to speedybarcodes.com. Speedybarcodes.com will allow you to get your first barcode for free. You just click right here. You have to give them your information, your email, and right after you do that, they're gonna email you your first UPC for free. If you're only doing one product to start with one variation, that's all you're starting with, you don't even have to buy a UPC at all. For your first product, starting your Amazon journey, you just got it for free. If you don't want to do this, the other option, the option that you might find on Google is that you have to purchase a brand new GS1 barcode. Why don't we recommend this or use that method? If you buy a brand new UPC code registered under your company and it's completely new for you, the process is longer and the cost is much higher. I don't mean $5, $10 higher. I mean, it's going to cost you about $300. Don't quote me on this, but $250 to $300 is what I last saw. And you have to pay an annual fee on that. Now, yes, you can do that. That is an option for you to use. I'm not going to say that you have to do it my method. What I'm saying is that this is an easy way to do it. And it's what's recommended by most Amazon sellers. And also what I've used, what Jackie has used, and all of our clients have used, and it's worked for all of us. So what you want to do, go ahead and click first barcode here so you can get your first barcode for free. They send you an email. You make your account. You open that up and you get on this page right here, which is your dashboard for speedybarcodes.com. And if you can see right here, it says that on February 7th, I generated this barcode for free, and that's the certificate. You don't need all that. All you need to do is click download Excel UPC. Once you click that, you're gonna actually get an Excel document that's gonna pop up with your free UPC code. You copy that and you paste it when you're making your Amazon draft listing. So guys, that's it for the information in this video. We'll have another video showing you how to convert this into an FNSKU code. It's a whole different process. But for now, you guys have learned how you can get your first UPC code for free, download it and copy it so you can paste it into your first draft listing. As I mentioned in the previous video, we're gonna be making a lot more videos like this for you guys, quick and straight to the point, because Amazon is not as hard as people make it seem. We've seen a lot of success with it. Our clients have launched and seen a lot of success with it, so you guys can too. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet, so you guys can see the next videos, get a notification, and Jackie and I will definitely keep providing value for you guys.